Hello guys, Dev Channel here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve the device informations with PhoneGap and its JavaScript functionalities. For this purpose, I'm gonna show you as in the last video on my iPhone because it's much more easier to do it. You see here the last application we've done with the change name Dev Channel Rocks and our first application on the text. I have created my application on the desktop and it's in the demo iOS application folder. So we're now gonna open it. In this folder is, yes, you know it, the www folder, and within those folders are the index.js file and the index.html file. We're gonna change or adapt the index.js file. I'm gonna open it with the next editor or Textastic. This is my famous editor. You can use anyone you want. So we now see the app, which is created from PhoneGap, and we're now gonna put our own function in it, and let's call it show device info. And yes, we do not need any parameters. I'm going to put in an alert box to show the information. You can do with the information what you want. The only reason why I'm doing this is you get instant results, and it's a very good demo reason to do it that way. And I will put a button in it so you can tap on the button and the alert box goes up. So now I'm gonna go there, got the platform, and in the device object are a list of properties, which basically stores the device information we're gonna show now. So we got device.platform, which means it should be returning, in our case, iOS. If you're running Android, it should return Android. So I put it right there, device.platform. The second property from our object, which is gonna show it, is the version. Of course, you want to know the version of the platform, and the platform only tells you iOS, Android, Windows Phone, and the version is the version number. The actual iOS version is 9.0.2. So in our case, this should be returning these version numbers. Yeah, for better readability, I have formatted our alert box, or not the alert box itself, but the code. So for each property from our device object, it's a single line. The third property I'm going to show there is the model, and the model identifies the internal hardware number from those devices, and the iPhone 6s, which I'm running here, should be returning iPhone model number 8.1, I believe, but we will see it later on. And the last property is the crossover version. And the crossover version means basically the PhoneGap version. This could be also very interesting, but mostly you will have hard-coded or have a hard relationship between your version of your program and the crossover version. But if you're shipping different crossover versions in one program, it's also very interesting. So you can make statistics on this point. So now we have our four properties in our alert box, and it should be very readable. What we do next is we're gonna add a button on our index.html file, which is stored in the www folder. As you know, the index file is the main point of our application. So we open up in our text editor, and we see what we have done there yesterday, or in the last video, of course. We have done hello world. This is our first demo application, and we have changed the heading to Dev Channel Rocks. Now we're gonna add the button below the hello world text, and that is simply HTML5 tag with a button type of button. Then, of course, we have set an ID, which is in this case show device info, and the most important thing of this button is the onClick event, of course, and the onClick event should be firing our function which we have provided before in the index.js file. So we copied it to make no mistakes, of course, and paste it into our on-click description. Then we can add or give a name of the button, and we're closing the tags, and the name is, yeah, you can choose whatever you want. In our case, it's show info. So now we're hitting save. I have to say the PhoneGap server is running in the background. So I've started before, and you see instantly the show info button appears on our iOS device. And now I'm gonna try to tap the show info button on the iOS device, and they should be returning the text box or the alert box which you have defined previously. And now we're seeing the text box is there, the platform, our version. So yeah, it's not that well formatted. I'm gonna make a little bit or better readability. So I put there something. It takes a while to upload. You can see it if the hello world text appears and comes back. Yeah, it appears and comes back. And now we got a very pretty readable design. So we got the iOS platform, the version 9.0.2, the model iPhone 8.1, and the Godara version is 3.9.1. So guys, that is basically the way how you access the device informations with these lines of code. You get a fifth property in our list, which is the UUID, the global unique identifier of your device, but I'm not showing it there because, well, it's my number of my phone and you can make things with it I don't want probably. So you can access it too. So you got 5 properties on our global objects, and yeah, you can make a statistic on it or whatever you want. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lot. It's very easy, as you've seen here, to access those properties. One thing I have to mention is the device object is available after the device is ready event, and then you can access it. I hope guys you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions to this video or any other videos, do not hesitate to contact me. And as always, hit like, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.